Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can use keyframes the fastest and simplest way possible as a complete beginner in video editing using the Capcut video editing tool, for example on your PC. So let's get started. So let me give you a simple example how to use these keyframes. Let's start by adding a video clip to my timeline by drag and dropping it. Let me position that video clip here from my library on my timeline below, just like that. And for demonstration purposes, I would like to apply keyframes in combination with a zoom in, zoom out effect for that specific video here. So I would like to zoom in to that person here we see on that or in that frame here in the preview window. So this is how you can do it, guys. Select your video clip with your left mouse here on your timeline, and after that head over to the video section here in the top right corner and head over to the basic section below. So what you want to do after that, guys, is scroll down a bit till you get to that section here, scale. So currently the scaling is at 100%. That's the default setup, so no zoom in, no zoom out either. So to zoom in, set your first keyframe here right at the start of the video where there's still no zoom in effect. You can add these keyframes by clicking on that diamond icon here to the right, and after that move your playhead to the moment or to the second mark where you'd like to apply the zoom in effect, like let's say to the 3-second mark. So let me do that really quickly. Stop your playhead there, and after that simply adjust your scaling or the zoom in effect here by moving that slider, let's say from 100% to 200. So that's a pretty strong zoom in effect, just like that. And as you can see, Capcut will automatically set a second keyframe here on your timeline, so you don't have to do that manually. And lastly, to apply a zoom out effect, again, simply move your playhead here on your video track, let's say to the 7-second mark, stop here, and now set a keyframe manually by clicking on the diamond icon, because in this case I would like the zoom in effect to last from the 3rd to the 7-second mark. And after that, in the last step, move your playhead again, let's say to the 10th-second mark, stop your playhead there and move the zoom in or the scaling back from 200% to 100, so to the default setup. And this time again, Capcut will place the keyframe automatically at the corresponding timestamp or second mark. And that's basically it, guys. If you watch your video clip in the preview mode, you will see that the zoom in effect kicks in at the 3rd-second mark, it lasts till the 7th-second mark and gets back to the default setup of 100% scaling, just like that. And all of that by using simple keyframes. And you can apply that trick to any other setup or feature like rotation or the positioning, the speed, and so on and so forth, to various effects and filters, all of that using keyframes and by setting them. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.